Hey guys, I'm going to do a real quick video on how to change the engine coolant on my 2017 VW GTI S. Should be the same for all the models in this year. And I'm going to refer a little bit to the owner's manual, and I'll show you that as well. Page 351 of the owner's manual. Let me just give you a quick shot of where my engine coolant is at. So it's really easy to find your expansion tank for your coolant. It's that tank right there. You can see by the color of it. You can also see this little sign right here that indicates that's the coolant. And then you'll see this G13 right here. That indicates the type of fluid that you need to use. And I'll throw that up on the screen right now so you can get the product number and figure out exactly which one to order. Again, this is an MK7. This is a 2017 S. But the owner's manual, all of them should be the same, so the product number that you're using for your coolant should be the same. Now you'll notice that mine is below the minimum mark. That's obviously why I'm gonna fill it up. I'm gonna put it in just between the max and the minimum, just as the same as it's shown here in the owner's manual. I am gonna use the VW factory G13 coolant. And then also you'll notice the amount of fluid that I need to put in is very little. If I was filling this tank up entirely, then yes, I would dilute it with the distilled water and use that 60-40 mix coolant to water to coolant ratio. So 60% water to 40% of the engine coolant, as it says in the owner's manual. But again, since I'm putting so little in, that 60-40 balance is not going to be disturbed by me putting in this little engine coolant. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open my coolant, or my expansion tank. You'll actually hear the pressure release, which happened earlier before I started recording. Okay, and then I'm gonna just bring it up to here. And again, I'm pouring it straight in. You can do what you'd like. If you're just filling this in, you know, filling it straight in should not be an issue. Now, I don't have a funnel with me that's clean, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do this. Okay. I'll throw the cap back on. And then I'll wipe down this excess right here. You hear that click? That's literally all it takes. All right, so simple. And obviously, like I said, there are gonna be people that say that I should have diluted it. The coolant that I put in right now, but with the little amount that I was putting in, the 60-40 balance wasn't gonna get thrown off. And so anyway, if you watch my channel for the 4Runner maintenance, you'll see a new video come up there on Sunday. I'm gonna be doing greasing the propeller shaft. I know there's a lot of confusion around that, so that video should be helpful. Thanks.